Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel, the meaning of motivation-motivational process. Have you ever wondered what drives people to work towards their goals in an organization? This question is at the heart of understanding motivation in an organizational context. Motivation is an internal force that influences the direction, intensity, and persistence of an individual's efforts. It's like the fuel that powers the engine of human behavior in the workplace. Imagine a car. The direction is where it's headed, the intensity is the speed it's moving at, and the persistence is how long it keeps going. Similarly, motivation determines where employees focus their efforts, how hard they work, and how long they stick to their tasks. In essence, motivation is the driving force that propels individuals to strive for their goals, overcoming obstacles and persevering in the face of adversity. It's the cornerstone of productivity and success in any organization. To understand this better, let's delve into the theories of motivation. Need hierarchy theory. First, we encounter the need hierarchy theory, developed by Abraham Maslow. This theory breaks down human needs into 5 distinct levels, forming a pyramid with the most basic needs at the bottom, gradually ascending to more complex needs at the top. At the base of the pyramid, we find physiological needs. These are the most essential requirements for survival, such as food, water, and shelter. When these needs are not met, an individual's motivation to fulfill them becomes a primary focus. The next level up is safety needs. Once physiological needs are met, individuals seek safety and security. In an organizational context, this could translate to job security, safe working conditions, and financial stability. The third tier is social needs, also known as belongingness needs. Humans are social creatures by nature and seek relationships and social interaction. In the workplace, this can mean fostering a sense of community, teamwork, and belonging. The fourth level is esteem needs. Once social needs are satisfied, individuals strive for recognition, respect, and status. In the business world, this can manifest as promotions, awards, or public recognition for a job well done. Finally, at the very top of the pyramid, we find self-actualization needs. This is the desire to realize one's full potential, to be the best that one can be. It's about personal growth, self-improvement, and reaching one's goals. The premise of the need hierarchy theory is that individuals are motivated to fulfill these needs in order, starting from the bottom of the pyramid and working their way up. Once a need is satisfied, it no longer motivates, and the individual moves on to the next level. In the context of an organization, understanding this hierarchy can be instrumental in creating strategies to motivate employees. By identifying and addressing these needs, organizations can foster a motivated, productive workforce. Thus, the need hierarchy theory suggests that employees strive to fulfill their needs in a hierarchical manner. ERG theory. Next, we explore Clayton Alderfer's ERG theory. Now, this theory is a bit of a remix of Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Alderfer condensed Maslow's 5 stages into just 3 core needs: existence, relatedness, and growth, cleverly encapsulated in the acronym ERG. Let's break these down. Existence needs are the basic requirements for survival, such as food, water, safety, and shelter. When we talk about organizations, these needs translate to fair wages, safe working conditions, and job security. Next, we have relatedness needs. This is all about our desire for meaningful social and interpersonal relationships. In the workplace, this could be fulfilled through positive interactions with colleagues, being part of a team, or receiving public recognition for your work. Last but not least, are growth needs. These are an individual's intrinsic aspirations for personal development and self-fulfillment. In a business context, this might mean opportunities for career advancement, continuous learning, or taking on challenging projects. What makes the ERG theory stand out is its flexibility. Unlike Maslow's rigid hierarchy, Alderfer proposed that these needs aren't necessarily fulfilled sequentially. An employee could, for example, be motivated to satisfy their growth needs, even if their relatedness needs aren't fully met. This recognizes the complexity and diversity of human motivation. The ERG theory, therefore, posits that individuals are motivated by multiple needs simultaneously. And understanding this can help organizations create more effective and personalized motivational strategies. Theory X, Theory Y, and Theory Z. Moving forward, we have the intriguing Theory X, Theory Y, and Theory Z by Douglas McGregor. These theories are fascinating lenses through which we can view human motivation in the workplace. Theory X paints a rather grim picture of the average worker. It assumes that people inherently dislike work and will avoid it if they can. According to this theory, individuals need to be coerced, controlled, or threatened with punishment to get them to achieve organizational goals. In a Theory X environment, managers believe their employees are naturally lazy and will avoid work whenever possible. On the other hand, Theory Y offers a more optimistic view of human nature. It posits that people find self-fulfillment and satisfaction in their work. Employees are seen as self-driven and responsible, willing to exercise self-direction and self-control in pursuit of the organization's objectives. In a Theory Y environment, managers believe that, given the right conditions, most people will want to do well at work. They trust their employees to take initiative and seek responsibility. Now let's turn our attention to Theory Z, a fascinating blend of American and Japanese management styles. Developed by Dr. William Uchi, this theory suggests that workers are motivated by a strong sense of commitment to the organization, a belief in the long-term employment, and an opportunity for promotions. It emphasizes trust, quality, and consensus, encouraging a sense of belonging among employees. Theory Z is seen as a more holistic approach, valuing both the well-being of employees and the efficiency of the organization. It believes that workers have a greater sense of organizational loyalty and look for long-term employment. While Theory X, Y, and Z may seem distinct, they aren't mutually exclusive. In reality, they represent different points on a spectrum of human motivation and managerial styles. The key takeaway here is that understanding these theories can help managers create an environment that motivates employees and aligns with their needs and values. These theories reveal contrasting perspectives on human motivation in the workplace. Two-factor theory. Now let's examine Hertzberg's two-factor theory. Diving right in, we have two distinct elements in this theory: hygiene factors and motivators. Picture these two as the yin and yang of job satisfaction and motivation. Starting with hygiene factors, these aren't the kind of hygiene that requires soap and water. Instead, Hertzberg termed these as factors that, if absent or inadequate, can cause dissatisfaction at work. They act as the baseline. These could be things like company policies, supervision, working conditions, salary, and relationships with colleagues. While these factors don't necessarily motivate employees, their absence can lead to discomfort and dissatisfaction, making you feel like something's off. On the flip side, we have the motivators. These are the factors that, when present, actively contribute to job satisfaction and motivate individuals to perform better. They're like the cherry on top. Think about aspects such as achievement, recognition, work itself, responsibility, advancement, and growth. These factors are directly linked to the job and can spark joy, drive, and motivation when they are present. So in essence, Hertzberg's two-factor theory suggests that to create a satisfied and motivated workforce, organizations should not only eliminate the causes of dissatisfaction, hygiene factors, but also introduce and encourage elements that lead to job satisfaction, motivators. Hertzberg's theory thus emphasizes the role of job satisfaction in driving motivation. Conclusion OD Theories of Motivations 1. To conclude, we've explored several theories that offer insights into what motivates individuals in organizations. Let's start with the need hierarchy theory, which suggests that individuals are motivated by their most pressing, unsatisfied need, ranging from physiological to self-actualization needs. It's a step-by-step process where satisfaction of one need leads to the emergence of another. Then we discussed the ERG theory, a modification of the need hierarchy theory. It condenses the 5 needs into 3 categories: existence, relatedness, and growth. This theory allows for more flexibility as it acknowledges that more than one need can be motivational at the same time. Next, we delved into the contrasting perspectives of Theory X, Theory Y, and Theory Z. Theory X implies that employees naturally dislike work and need to be controlled, while Theory Y suggests that employees can be self-driven and enjoy their work. Theory Z, on the other hand, blends the best elements of both, emphasizing long-term employment, collective decision-making, and individual responsibility. Then we moved on to the two-factor theory, which puts forth the idea that certain factors in the workplace lead to job satisfaction, while a separate set of factors lead to dissatisfaction. It's not simply the opposite ends of a single continuum, but two distinct factors influencing motivation and satisfaction. Finally, we revisited the ERG theory of motivation. It's a dynamic theory, highlighting that if higher-level needs remain unfulfilled, individuals may regress and focus more on fulfilling lower-level needs. It provides a more realistic understanding of motivation, as it accounts for the complexity of human needs. All these theories provide unique perspectives on what drives motivation within an organization. They help us understand that motivation is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It's multifaceted and complex. It's about understanding individual needs, expectations, and the work environment. Remember, understanding motivation is key to fostering a productive and fulfilling work environment. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow to the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.